This video is on Graco Slim Snacker Highchair assembly, and I cover how to put together this Graco Highchair. Alright, let's start how to assemble Graco Highchair by quickly unboxing the product. These are the parts in the box. Now I attach the legs to the highchair. Insert the leg until it snaps into place. It has push-pin connections. Front and rear are identical, so it does not matter which side you connect first. In this step, we connect the tray. Raise the chair and unfold it like this. There are levers on both sides of the tray. Squeeze the lever on both sides and place it on the chair like this. You can take off the tray like this by squeezing the levers again. These are 3 positions on the tray. You can adjust if you want. By the way, removing the seat cover for cleaning of this Graco Slim Snacker Highchair is tricky. I have a separate video for that if you're interested. If you like the video, please like the video. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. For more baby related videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.